Hi everyone, so tonight I am going to show you some techniques that I use in order to release parasympathetic fibers. And what this does is it helps us leave that fight and flight mode and releases toxins in our bodies that allow us to relax and give us a sense of calmness. So often I use this whenever I'm anxious or if I have a lot on my mind or I'm worrying about something, whether it be due dates for school, anything to do with work, or anything of that nature. So the first things, you are going to need two things. You're going to need some Vaseline, just some typical normal Vaseline, and then you're going to need some lotion. So I just use the Jergens, just anything simple that you have. You can use chapstick, you can use any kind of lotions you have. Sometimes I'll even use like a face mask, and I'll use my hands underneath or above the face mask. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you these are some massage techniques that I use on my face in order to release those parasympathetic fibers. So the first thing is just grab a little bit of your chapstick, and you're just going to put it on your lips. And you're going to take two fingers, you're just going to rub. You're going to rub your lips from side to side. I'll even go up and across with one finger at a time. And this is actually an area of our body that holds those parasympathetic fibers. So it releases those and helps us to retreat from that fight and flight mode. So you're just going to take a couple seconds and massage. You're not pressing hard, it's just a real light motion on your lips. Okay? So that's one thing that I do that releases those parasympathetic fibers. The next thing that I'm going to show you is just like a little bit of lotion. I just grab a little bit of lotion and I just go ahead, and a lot of my tension holds right here under my eyes. So if I just push and release, it helps me. And the cooling of the lotion also helps to cool your skin down. A lot of times in that fight and flight mode, you get like hot flashes and discomfort in your face. So I just go like this, and I'll go along my chin, and I'll just push along my chin. And it just releases those tensions. It releases your jaw from holding any clenching of the jaw. It releases those. I'll rub on the sides where my jaw muscle is. I'll rub here on either side just to give myself that release of my jaw. Push up along my ears. This just releases all that tension that you're holding in your face along your jaw. So another thing that I like to do is I'll put it on my forehead and I'll like push up and around. Release that tension that you're holding in your head. And of course, normally I would have my eyes closed for this, but as I'm recording this video, I just want to make sure that I'm in the right frame for you and going along the eyebrows, releasing all of that tension. Release that tension. Another area of your body that you can massage in order to release tension is actually the palms of your hands. So we're going to go ahead and just take a little bit of lotion in the palm of our hand. You're just going to press and release all of that tension you might be holding in your hands from clenching. You're just going to release it. I like to pull my finger lightly to just pull all that tension out. And then you'll go ahead and repeat it on the other hand as needed. And I just continue this practice until I begin to feel better. Again, like I said, I would use a face mask as well. And a lot of face masks have like cooling aloe gel in them. And then I'll just press and rub along my face to release all of that tension. Okay, thank you for joining me, and I will see you all shortly. Thanks.